Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to file a claim for lost baggage with American Airlines. Whether you've misplaced something on the plane, at the gate, or somewhere in the airport, this process will help you report it properly and increase your chances of getting it back. First, open your browser and head over to a .com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type Lost and Found and hit Enter. From the results that appear, click on the Lost and Found option. This will take you to the dedicated page where you can report your missing item. Now you'll notice several options displayed based on where you might have lost your item. American Airlines breaks this down to make it easier for you to file the right report. If you lost something on the plane itself, at the gate area, or inside an Admirals Club lounge, you'll want to click on the File a Lost and Found Report text link. This option connects you directly with American Airlines' internal Lost and Found system. However, if you lost your item somewhere else in the airport terminal, like near check-in counters or baggage claim, click on the Airport Information text link instead. This redirects you to the specific airport's Lost and Found department, since those areas are managed separately. And if you believe you left something at the security checkpoint, click on the TSA Lost and Found text link, as the Transportation Security Administration handles those items independently. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and click on File a Lost and Found Report, since that's the most common scenario for items lost on flights or at the gate. This will open up a form where you'll need to provide detailed information about your missing item. Start by choosing the type of item you lost from the drop-down menu. This could be anything from a phone to a jacket or a bag. Next, enter your airline and flight number. This helps American Airlines narrow down where to search for your item. Then fill in the date of loss and specify where exactly you lost it, whether it was on the plane, at the gate, or in the lounge. Be as specific as possible. You'll also see a field asking what makes your item unique. This is important because it helps staff identify your item among similar ones. Mention any distinguishing features like color, brand, scratches, stickers, or anything else that sets it apart. After that, move on to your contact and shipping information. Enter your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and your full mailing address. This is where they'll reach out to you if they find your item, and where they'll ship it if needed. Before submitting, make sure to click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've double-checked all your information, click Submit. Your report will be filed, and American Airlines will begin searching for your lost item. And that's it. You've successfully filed a lost baggage claim with American Airlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.